The internship program here at the Sesnon has enriched my growth personally, professionally, and academically.
The gallery creates this space, it creates this environment that is inclusive and it is safe for all sorts of people to collaborate, to meet each other, to connect.
I'm constantly surrounded by art, which has always been a dream of mine, and I'm constantly learning from both my peers and my mentors.
I love being surrounded by such inspiring, brilliant people that work here as well, and just being involved in learning about art education and curating, all that sort of thing.
With every day, I become more equipped for my postgraduate life as an arts professional. I am prepared for the next steps of my career, and I am excited to take this experience with me into the future.